Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys have been having an awesome day. Hopefully your trading has been going just as awesomely. You can see here my portfolio in the red today, about $75 or so down. It's a little bit in contrast to the markets. The Dow is actually up 40 points, 0.22%. S&P 500 was up just a little bit, pretty much stagnant, but up 0.02%. NASDAQ likewise up 0.02%. As I scroll through my portfolio here, you can see kind of a mixed day overall. A little bit of red, a little bit of green. Not a lot of big movements, save two particular stocks in my portfolio. One of these plays was a recent play I did with this PIMCO high yield fund. Where is PIMCO here? Here we go, PHK. I went ahead and I jumped in to get the dividend yield. It's got a great dividend yield at 12.9%, but it's a high yield, high risk stock. I don't wish to be in this long term. Unfortunately, it trended out a little bit more than I was expecting, so I'm about $75 down or so. The dividend you can see on the bottom here was $28, so I'm down about $45, $47 or so, $48 more or less. So I'm probably going to have to hold this for a couple more months here. Hopefully this price here trends up a bit. It's down quite a bit from its most recent 1 month average. So if that trends back up again, I can get out of that at the price I paid, 9.92, awesome. But if I lose a few dollars with regards to capital losses, but make another dividend payment here, so about $60 or so, lose 10 bucks on capital, make 50 bucks, I'll be very happy with that. And the other stock here is my pharmaceutical plays, in particular my Portola. And sort of the inspiration for the title of this video, I just went ahead and doubled down on this particular stock. So as you guys know, I jumped in here when it was trading in the $26 to $27 range, right before a big FDA announcement on approving one of its breakthrough anticoagulant drugs. Unfortunately, it was not approved. The price tanked, then it was slowly gaining some of its losses back, and then it started trending down here again. So I decided, well, why not? I'll go ahead and double down. This might be a bad move, but I went ahead and bought another 48 shares at $20.97. And that's in stark contrast to my initial play here, 35 shares at $26.66, and another 13 shares here at $27.09. So a lot cheaper here, brings my overall average cost down to $23.95. This, essentially trading that particular range here. So kind of double down here, bought a bunch of cheap stocks to go along with my much more expensive stock to try to make some of the money back. This could be a very bad play, but went ahead and did it anyway. So because of those two plays, I'm down $75 today, but hopefully holding those a little bit longer, I can make some of that money back, and then, like I said, get out of that closed-ended PIMCO high yield fund and put that money into some more secure high dividend yielding stocks after the election, after the rate hike. And then with the Portola, I'm going to hold that long until the next FDA decision early next year. Hopefully that drug gets approved and those capital gains, or those capital losses turn into capital gains. So yeah, that's kind of where my portfolio is at right now. Just wanted to update you guys on the big play I made today, doubling down on Portola, as well as the overall performance of my portfolio here. So hopefully you guys had a little bit better day than I did. But again, some of these plays are longer term plays, so not too worried about that. But still, overall down a bit here. Kind of hope to get rid of those losses here after the election rate hike. So again, let me know what you guys think about my doubling down. Was that a good move? Was that a bad move? Yeah, just let me know what you guys think. What would you guys have done in that particular situation? Would you have doubled down? Would you have just completely got out of the stock, or just kind of keep it in your portfolio, hold it long term, and check back next spring? Not sure. I went ahead and doubled down. So let me know what you guys think about that. As always, if you want to support the channel by subscribing, I'd really appreciate that. It really helps the channel out quite a bit. Leave a couple comments, leave a couple likes. Go ahead and share the video with your friends. Really enjoy the discussions I've had so far about investing and different strategies about investing overall. So been having a lot of fun here. So yeah, that kind of wraps up the video here, and I'll catch you next video.